Copy Center associates spend a lot of time with one machine, the copier. By knowing how to efficiently operate a state-of-the-art copier, associates are able to meet and even exceed their customers' deadlines. Although different copy centers use various types of copiers, the fundamentals of operation are pretty common for all copiers. First, let's check out the essential parts of a copier, the things you really need to know to operate a copier. The platen is the glass plate where the original document is positioned to copy. It's important to keep the platen clean and free of debris that can negatively impact the quality of the final copy. Document feeders automatically feed multi-page documents across the platen. To avoid paper jams, it's important to know the maximum number of pages a document feeder can handle. It also helps to know whether to place a document face up or face down. The copy output device is the area where finished copies are stored. Most high-speed copiers can output collated copies, and many can even staple those copies. The copier screen is the control center of a copier. A menu is displayed on the screen, allowing the operator to choose the number of copies, printing options, even paper size. Now, let's see how to process a typical copying job. Copy Center associate Lisa needs to make 15 copies of a 25-page document. She begins by loading the original document into the document feeder, checking to make sure it's facing the right way. Using the menu on the copier screen, Lisa enters the number of copies, chooses one-sided copies, and selects for them to be collated. She then selects Start to begin the process. As the order runs, Lisa monitors the copier to make sure there are no malfunctions. And that's it. The menu on the copier indicates that the job is complete. That's how it looks when everything goes according to plan. Now, let's take a look at some common glitches that can hold up a copying job. A problem that Copy Center associates often encounter is the out-of-paper message on the copier screen's menu. This is an easy fix. The associate simply opens the paper drawer, identifies the paper size, and replenishes the supply. The copier will resume the job from the point at which it ran out of paper. In addition to running out of paper, copiers also run out of toner. To replace a toner cartridge, the associate determines the location of the toner cartridges, removes the used cartridge, and replaces it with a new one. Paper jams are another glitch that can slow down a copying job. Most copy screens will display a diagram of the copier and where the jam has occurred. The associate accesses the jammed area, clears the obstruction, and resumes the job. Knowing the nuts and bolts of operating a copier is an essential part of being a Copy Center associate. And knowing how to fix a few common copier problems can keep a copier up and running to ensure Copy Center customers get their orders when they need them.